Hey there, welcome to day 1188 of What You Up To Now. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, traveling and documenting my journey as I transition from the brick and mortar world, corporate world of business to the online world of business. Today has been an interesting day. Traveling always affords us new opportunities to figure things out and figure out how to get things done that we're used to doing in our own way, and being flexible in terms of traveling and doing things differently. I realized what a creature of habit I've become since I haven't traveled since 2019. And I'm just so used to having everything where I'm used to finding it. It's interesting how much longer it takes to do anything when you're out of your normal circumstances, your normal surroundings, and your normal routine. Let's quickly talk about what we're working on for challenges. Today was day 30 of the 30 plus day Get Up and Go challenge. It's the 7th challenge. And we talked about lessons learned. And I cut it down to 10 so that it wouldn't be too long. We just did the 10 quick things off the top of my head with respect to lessons learned doing the challenge. Shared those. For our Supersize Your Business idiom today, we talked about the metaphorical illusion that is have your work cut out for you. And what does that mean? And how can you use that to grow and build your business? And today our All About You 365-day challenge, doing one thing every day to center you, was about coloring. And it says, coloring brings me peace or brings me pleasure. And I'm like, coloring brings me personally nothing but frustration these days. So I already admitted that I will not be doing this particular activity. Maybe I'll let my granddaughter do it or something, but I'm definitely not going to be doing it. I'll find something else to do that brings me pleasure since I'm traveling, and there's always things that are interesting and entertaining when we're traveling. So those are the challenges that I'm working on. Again, traveling, so not particularly available. Schedule's pretty tight, but if you have any questions, hit me up in the comments below and I will be glad to help you out. Otherwise, have an awesome day, and I'll of course be with you tomorrow.